Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to buy now on Stockx. So Stockx is a platform that you will be able to buy through it many things, not only shoes, not only sneakers, you can even buy electronics and other stuff that will be very interested for you. Now, how can you use the buy now button? Simply go to one of the products that you are interested in buying. For example, let's say I'm interested in the Nike Air Force One. So I'm gonna go and get this one for myself. I'm simply gonna click on it, and then the most important thing is to select what kind of design you'd like, what kind of color, to be more specific. So for example, I want the white one, and once you select the white one, this will take a little bit of time just for the site to load, and then you would need to actually take into consideration the size. So the size is gonna be determining the price, which you will eventually click on buy now after that. So here choose what kind of size, depending on where you live and what size you have. So here, for example, I'm gonna choose Europe. In case you were from the US, you can choose either this or that one. For women, for men, of course. So you can choose the best one for you. Here is for UK. Here are in centimeters. Here, for example, in Korean, and here in European region. So you can choose exactly which one you would look for. And once you had it in mind, you simply choose it like this. I'm gonna, for example, get this one. So this is gonna be the total. It is $39 below the retail price, so this is very good. As you can see, they even tell you how much profit you will make. And simply click on buy now button as you will be seeing right now. And this will take you to the checkout page. It's very easy and simple. Now all that is left for you to do is to fulfill some information like your address and your credit card, and simply verify your payment getaway and go through and verify your payments. It's very simple and easy, guys, as you can see here. So in case you had the discount code, you can use it as well. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.